The Venera-7 was a Soviet spacecraft, part of the Venera series of probes to Venus. When it landed on the Venusian surface, it became the first spacecraft to land on another planet and first to transmit data from the back to Earth. Launch. The probe was launched from Earth on August 17, 1970, at 5:38 UTC. It consisted of an interplanetary bus based on the 3 MV system and a lander. During the flight to Venus 2, in-course corrections were made using the bus's onboard KTU-414 engine. Landing. It entered the atmosphere of Venus on December 15, 1970. The lander remained attached to the interplanetary bus during the initial stages of atmospheric entry to allow the bus to cool the lander to -8 degrees Celsius for as long as possible. The lander was ejected once atmospheric buffeting broke the interplanetary bus's lock-on with Earth. The parachute opened at a height of 60 kilometers and atmospheric testing began with results showing the atmosphere to be 97% carbon dioxide. The parachute appeared to fail during the descent, resulting in a descent more rapid than planned. As a result, the lander struck the surface of Venus at about 16.5 meters per second at 5 hours 37 minutes and 10 seconds UTC. Landing coordinates are 5 degrees south 351 degrees east, -5, 351. The probe appeared to go silent on impact, but recording tapes kept rolling. A few weeks later, upon a review of the tapes, another 23 minutes of very weak signals were found on them. The spacecraft had landed on Venus and probably bounced onto its side, leaving the medium-gain antenna not aimed correctly for strong signal transmission to Earth. The probe transmitted information to Earth for 53 minutes, which included 20 minutes from the surface. It was found that the temperature at the surface of Venus was 475 degrees Celsius ±20 degrees Celsius, and the pressure was 90 ±15 atmospheres. The pressure corresponded to approximately 900 meters below sea level. The probe provided information about the surface of Venus, which could not be seen through a thick veil of atmosphere. The spacecraft definitively confirmed that on the surface of Venus man is not able to survive and excluded the possibility that there is any liquid water on Venus.